Where to find ideas for niche markets. If you're having trouble coming up with ideas for niche markets, don't worry. There are several ways to come up with a virtually unlimited number of potential markets. The real trick is focusing on just one or two once you see all the potential that's out there. In this article, we're going to look at several places you can turn to find ideas. Magazines. One of the easiest places to look for ideas is your local bookstore or newsstand. Browse through the magazines and look for ideas that jump out at you. And don't just stick to the area you're interested in yourself. Branch out a little. If you normally stick to the computer section, for example, look at the travel or men's interest instead. Read the teaser titles on the covers and see what kind of ideas you see. Leaf through a few magazines, checking out the ads to see what kind of things are being sold in the market. Check to see if there are classified ads in the back, as they often have ads for info products and other things you might sell over the internet. Local stores. Visit your local mall or other stores and just wander through the aisles looking for ideas. Take a notepad with you and jot down all the ideas that you find. You can do some research online afterwards to see whether or not it would be a profitable market online. You can also do this in specialty stores such as Home Depot or Lowe's for the home improvement market, for example. You'll find a ton of ideas this way, and you'll have the additional advantage that all the topics are related to one another, which makes cross-promotion much easier once you have several projects underway. E-stores. You can also do this on shopping sites like Amazon or eBay. Take a look at their hot seller list to see what people are buying a lot of. Amazon also has a feature that lets you see the most wished-for items. In other words, the things that people are adding to their wish lists. This can be very helpful leading up to a hot buying season such as Christmas. If a lot of people are wishing for something specific, it can be a profitable topic for a website. Just be aware that these types of seasonal sites tend to be hot for a month or two and then slow down until the same time the following year. Plan several of these that will hit at different times of year, and you can build a consistent income stream for the entire year.